Wonderful day, sun shining, blue, more or less completely blue skies, a few wispy clouds, bike's running well. I thought I'd take the opportunity to go for a ride today. Haven't been out for a couple of weeks, other than a quick hour here and there. We had visitors across, family across, and then the weather was pretty rubbish for a few days, rain and wind. I don't like rain and wind, so curtailed the bike riding. The only job I've done on the bike, which was yesterday, I fitted a power management module which works in conjunction with the ignition, monitors the power that the engine's running, and switches on and off the accessories, namely the lights, front auxiliary lights, and the USB socket. So it won't drain my battery if I inadvertently leave it switched on. It was wired to the directly into the battery, and I thought it'd be better to resolve that. Anyway, today I'm going to, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's quite a nice attractive bridge across there. I think it's called the Bridge of Magimo, Vidra, or something like that. And it was part of an old railway line, which is now, majority of it is walking and cycling lanes going up through the mountains. Very attractive. Unfortunately, I don't think I can take the motorbike up there, which would that would be awesome, but can't be done. Anyway, I'm going to get the drone out and try to do some flying here and up to the bridge, and we'll see what the result is.